I got the job at Green Tech Industries. I cannot believe it. It is finally here.
That is amazing news, Alex! You are a professional now! Is it the high-paying position you wanted?
Yes, the salary is very high. I can help my parents now.
You worked so hard for this. You deserve this success.
My life is going to change starting tomorrow. This building is much bigger than I imagined. Stay calm, Alex. You belong here.
You must be Alex. Welcome to the future of energy.
It is an honor to meet you, Miss Maya.
We only hire the best. Follow me to your office.
Hello, Alex. I am Sophie.
Hello.
I will show you the system.
Is this all for me?
Yes. We work fast here. We solve big problems.
I am ready to help the world with this technology.
Another night. Just a little more.
Wait, what is this project? I have never seen these numbers. This is not clean energy. This is a lie. Does everyone know about this? Sophie, can I ask you something about Project Blue River?
Stop looking at those files. Maya does not like questions.
But the report says the water is toxic. People are getting sick. Are we just going to let this happen because of the money?
Alex, you should not talk about that project out loud. I have a family to feed, Alex. Just do your job.
You look terrible, Alex. Is the work too difficult?
The work is fine. But the company is hiding a terrible secret.
What kind of secret? You told me they were heroes.
They are poisoning the river to save money. And I am part of the team now.
You have to choose, Alex. The success or the truth?
He is thinking too much. I need to fix this. Alex, you look very tired today. Is everything okay?
Oh. Yes, Miss Maya. I am just working hard.
Good. Hard work is always rewarded here. Come to my office in 5 minutes.
You wanted to see me, Miss Maya?
I am very happy with your silence. I mean, your speed.
This is more than my whole year's salary.
That is a promotion bonus. You are now a senior analyst.
I cannot take this, Miss Maya. I saw the water reports for Project Blue River. The river is toxic. People in the valley are getting sick. We have to stop.
Stop? This project brings millions of dollars to this city. It brings jobs.
But it is a lie. It is not clean energy if it kills the water.
The world is not a fairy tale, Alex. Everyone has a price.
Why? Why do you have a picture of my parents' home?
Your father's debt is owned by a bank we control. I can help him, or I can finish him.
You are threatening my family to keep me quiet?
I am giving you a choice. Be a rich hero for your family, or a poor student with a ruined name.
I need to go.
She showed you the check, didn't she?
She also showed me a picture of my parents' house. She knows everything.
My daughter uses this every day. We live near the river, and I use the company's money to pay for her medicine. It is a circle of poison.
She is sick because of the company? We cannot stay silent, Sophie. This is wrong. The water. It looks like oil. That could be my sister. That could be anyone's child. The money doesn't matter anymore. This has to end.
I hope she comes. I cannot do this alone.
I am here, Alex. But we must be very fast.
I need the access code for the main server room.
If they catch us, we will lose everything. Not just our jobs.
Think about your daughter, Sophie. She deserves clean water. Tonight, everything changes.
Alex, please think about this. Maya is a powerful woman.
Power does not give her the right to hurt people, Daniel.
She will destroy your future. You will never work in this city again.
I would rather have no job than have no heart. Thank you, Sophie. You updated the system. Everything is so loud when it is quiet. Just a few more minutes. Just stay calm. 0, 4, 1, 2. This is the brain of the whole company. Come on. Go faster. Please go faster. I think I heard something. Was that a footstep? I am not alone in here. Please don't look over here. Please. They're coming. Don't find me.
I know you are in here, Alex. I can see your computer is active. You are very predictable. Did you really think it would be this easy?
I had to try, Miss Maya. People are dying because of your success.
People die every day, Alex. That is life. But this is the end of your life. What did you do? Where did you send the files?
It is done. The truth is on the internet now.
You sent it to the national news? To the police?
I sent it to everyone. You cannot delete the truth from the whole world.
Take him! He is a thief! Take him now!
Stop. I am recording this. The police are already in the lobby.
Sophie? You helped him? You are a mother. You need this money.
I need my daughter to have a future, Maya, not just a bank account.
Success at any cost is not success. It is a crime. Miss Maya, is it true you poisoned the river for profit? It is finally over.
We have no jobs now, Alex. What will we do?
We will find work that helps people. Real help this time.
Look at this. Everyone knows your name now, Alex.
I am not a hero. I just did what was right.
But you lost the big bonus. You lost the high salary.
I spoke to my father. He is proud of me. That is more valuable than any check.
Well, you are still a senior analyst of my heart. Want some coffee?
Alex, look at her. She hasn't coughed all morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is beautiful. Success is not about how high you climb. It is about who you help while you are climbing. Always listen to your heart. The easy way is not always the right way. The truth is always worth the cost.